Are you a new leader looking to make an impact in your role? As you navigate this exciting journey, here are some essential tips that will help you master the art of leadership. Tip 1. Build trust. Trust is the foundation of effective leadership. Foster open communication and transparency. Be present, actively listen to your team, and empower them to contribute their ideas. Trust is a two-way street, so lead by example and earn the trust of your colleagues. Tip 2. Set clear expectations. Clearly define goals, roles, and responsibilities. By outlining expectations from the start, it increases accountability and prevents confusion. Encourage open discussions and create an environment where questions are welcomed. Tip 3. Lead with empathy. Understanding your team's emotions and perspectives is key to building strong relationships. Show empathy, actively seek feedback, and consider different viewpoints. Treat everyone with respect and kindness. Tip 4. Continuously learn and grow. Leadership is a journey of lifelong learning. Stay curious, seek opportunities for growth, and invest in your own development. Be open to feedback and embrace change to stay ahead in a fast-paced world. Tip 5. Inspire and motivate. Great leaders inspire and empower their teams to reach new heights. Communicate your vision effectively, connect it to individual goals, and acknowledge achievements. Celebrate milestones to create a positive and motivating work environment. Tip 6. Practice self-care. As a leader, it's essential to prioritize self-care. Take time to recharge, maintain a healthy work-life balance, and support your overall well-being. Remember, you can't lead effectively if you're depleted. In conclusion, becoming a masterful leader requires building trust, clear communication, empathy, continuous learning, inspiration, and self-care. By integrating these tips into your leadership approach, you'll empower yourself and your team to achieve greatness. Thanks for watching this video on mastering leadership. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on leadership and personal development.